Hey, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your account on CoinMarketCap. If you're looking to get the verification badge on your profile, here's a step-by-step guide. First, open the CoinMarketCap app and tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Then, click on your name at the top of the screen to access your profile. On your profile page, tap the three dots in the corner and select Get Verified. You'll then be directed to a verification page. It seems that you'll need to fill out a Google form, so I'm entering my username and password. The form asks you to sign in with your Google account. I'm completing that now on a second device. After that, you may be prompted to verify your passkey. Click Continue and proceed through the form. You'll need to fill in all required fields. If you're new to the app, select the appropriate options. Complete all 4 steps of the form, and once you're done, review your information to see if you're eligible for verification. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe.